And here we are in our Revit 6.1. We're going to talk about area plans and area calculations, and basically defining areas and getting the square footage. So just a regular model here again, looking at a 2D floor plan, the lower plan at this point. Couple ways of getting into your area tools. Over here we can see we have in our design bar the area analysis tab. I'm just going to right click on any one of these and I'm going to disable that. You won't see it anymore. So this is something you might be seeing right off the bat, at which point you can right click anywhere in here and say area analysis, and then you've got your area analysis tools that are inside of here. We're going to start with clicking on area plan, or we could go to the top and pick view, new, area plan. Okay, a couple of different ways to create what is an area plan, or you can put your color fills and legends and so forth on there. So area plan, and we'll use the lower floor as the sample plan with our scale inside of here. It's going to ask us if we want to have the exterior walls automatically create the area boundary, and I'm finding that it doesn't really work too well. So I'm actually just going to hit no on that and create my own boundaries. What it's going to do now is create an area plan cloned based on my lower floor plan. And I can see my topographic, my site plan and grading is showing here. So in the meantime, I'm going to go just into here, right click on my screen. I'm going to go to view visibility, and inside of visibility I'm just going to go into this area here, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to take the site information and the topographic information off of this area plan, and there you can see that looks a little nicer. Now we're going to go here, area plans. We can see now there's a new topic that's shown up in here. Double click on lower, and this is where we're at, in fact. Okay, now from here on it's really pretty straightforward. You go and you create an area boundary. Okay, when you create your area boundary, you can draw by tracing the objects, okay, around wherever you want to go, or you can select the walls. Okay, I'm going to start by just using that, and I'm going to click around my perimeter wall here just to show you how quickly it can go. Okay, and I can click that last one. Okay, if that's all I wanted to do at this point, I can go in here now and say area tag, click it once, go in here, place it, and it's going to give me that information. I'm going to hit escape a couple times and I'll zoom in a little bit on this. We can see it's giving us the area is 1,716 square feet. And if we zoom over here a little bit, we'll see that there's our area lines, these magenta lines, and they also have this little extra tag on them, which is kind of like an extension line for dimension. So don't pay attention to the fact that this line may extend beyond the corner of that one. It's really considered to be a filleted edge. And we can see that. I'm going to wheel out here a little bit. You can see that at the other corners it's going to do similar type thing. Okay, so it does a little bit of that. Now if I want to go in and draw an intermittent line now, that area tag is going to be smart enough. So I can go back to area boundary, and this time I can use pick points, and I can go in and I can just drag from, just like as if I was in sketch mode drawing lines. And then you'll notice, hit escape a couple times, I'm going to go back, my area square footage has changed. Okay, I can go in further now, area boundary, continue with my tracing option. I can trace between the lines. Okay, if you hit your tab key, you can toggle between the various faces of those walls, and as we work our way around, we'll see. Okay, we've got, I should have had my chain turned on. Very much like sketch mode, right? We've seen that in the past. And now I've created a third area, so I can go into my area tag, click on it once, place a small area over there, place another big area over here. Okay, so as long as the area lines are closed in loops, it's going to figure out the math for you on that one. From there on in, you can click on these bounding lines, and you can use your align and split and trim and extend very much again like in sketch mode. And you can also have a look inside of your area settings dialog to create different schemes. Okay, you can also go down and use your color fill to drag and drop those in for space planning, create a legend, have them show up different colors depending on how you want to do that. But at the lowest level, here we have our area plan. Information is there, and then we could duplicate that information up in here if we wanted to rewrite it in our main floor plan, because we can see this is all annotated in our lower plan, and down in here in our area plan, all it's showing us the area lines with the walls and the doors and then our tags. If you take that tag and you pull it out, it's going to say, give you an error, tell you that it's not sitting inside of an actual area space, area not enclosed. You can easily grab that tag now and bring it back inside. Okay, if you decide to move a line, if I use my tab key to grab that right line and then I move it, for instance, we're going to see our areas tags recalculate themselves. And in that case, I actually move the wall, not the tag. So we'd want to, oh, you can see there's the area there. Starts to show you that if we tab. So I really needed to select this object instead and then move that instead of the wall, and now my area is going to recalculate. So pretty straightforward creating your space planning. First thing to do, create an area plan, add in your bounding lines, add your tags.